Hi, this is Brian McGough. I'm head of the retail sector here at Hedgeye Risk Management, and I'm here to talk to you for a couple minutes about restoration hardware, which is our best idea by a long shot. Stock's now at $62. Most people have a target of around $70 to $80, and I'm at $175. So worlds above everybody else. This is a name I loved at $28 at the IPO, and as our research has evolved, I like it even more at $62. I'd also like it at $100. That's how much upside that there is. So why is it a unique name? The first chart is going to show you that it's got the biggest square footage growth acceleration I have ever seen in all of retail. I've been doing this since 1993, and I've never seen anything like this. In the second chart, you got the actual sales per square foot, which are also accelerating on the margin. And that really doesn't happen while square footage is actually growing like that. In the end, on chart 3, you can see how the math works out. The old format stores are about 9,000 to 10,000 square feet. They do about $800 a square foot, or about $8 million per store. New stores are about 30,000 to 40,000 square feet, with at least $1,300 a square foot, or about $35 million per store to minimum. That's about 4x the sales productivity of the old stores, which is amazing. Now the end result, and this is on that next chart, is earnings, which are going from $1.65 to $8.56. This is a growth rate far above anything I've ever seen. So very, very big numbers. Now, if I could just spend a minute on valuation. I have a chart up here. It shows that right now the stock is trading at 38 times earnings. I get it. It's really, really expensive. But if you take a look at the earnings growth rate, it's going to be trading at about 7 times earnings over the course of 5 years. So it will absolutely grow into its multiple. If you don't like that PE algorithm, as a lot of people don't, please go to the following chart. It shows PE to growth, or PEG. Now, it's not a great metric on a standalone basis, but if you look at that stacked up against other names, it is quite relevant. So Amazon, Netflix, Tesla, Under Armour, Lulu, Nike, all these companies, and you can see where RH stacks up against them. And by far and away, it's the cheapest stock in the entire group. So if I use a PEG multiple, half of its growth rate, I'm getting to about $175 stock, which again is huge. And I implore you to find any other name out there that will go up by a factor of 3. Now, as I noted, this is our top name right now. This is a radically misunderstood name. I've got a lot more research on it. If you want to check it out, please look at Hedgeye Retail on Twitter. I really appreciate your time. Thank you.